Hi guys, it's Marwan here again, your sales consultant at Steele Hyundai Halifax. And today we're going to talk about this sedan right behind me. It's the 2022 Preferred Sonata. Stay tuned. So before I get to show you some features about this Sonata here, I want to give you a quick 360, how it looks like from the outside. It is pretty cool. It has this like new sporty look to it, which I like a lot. So right now I'm gonna explain a couple of features from the outside. Stay tuned. Guys, right now I actually want to show you a couple of features from the outside. We got your headlights right here. Also this line here, both of them actually lights up, which gives it that cool look to it. And on the edge side, you got sensor right there that will actually avoid collision if there's a forward collision, if there's a vehicle in front of you and then decide to press a hard brake. That will help you avoid it. And you got your blind spots sensors right there on both sides. Also, you got your trunk. You can either open it using your key right here, or, which is awesome, you press right there. If you press on that, there you go. You got tons of space for a sedan. That is actually a ton of space, huge amount of space. And if you notice as well, that's your backup camera. And the wheels that they come with this vehicle here is a 17-inch right there, all season tires. As well, you got your keyless entry, so if you have that your key on your pocket, you just press on this black button right there. That will unlock it, as you can see. And honestly, even inside it is comfortable. You got tons of leg space. I'll show you from the back as well. Look at that. For a sedan, that is actually pretty awesome. That's a ton of space for you. So right now guys, I want to get to the inside of the vehicle to explain some features. Guys, after we took a quick look and explained some of the features from the outside, this is how it looks like inside the vehicle. I'm going to start it up for you. You got your push start button right there. Your key just have to be like, you can put it anywhere close to it. Press your brake, and there you go. You got your steering wheel that has a bunch of features right there. You got your 8-inch touchscreen compatible with Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. I will show you that later actually. So your steering wheel, you got your lane keep assist right here, your menu button right there. If you click on that, it's gonna show you like fuel economy, like your settings right there. So like if you press on driver assistant, you get your warning timing, driver attention warning, forward safety, lane safety, blind spot safety, all type of stuff. So if I go back, you got your, back to settings, you got your door lights. So if you press on door, you got your auto lock and smart trunk. So what smart trunk actually does, if I highlighted that, if you actually have your key on you in your pocket, let's say you're doing some shopping, you just have to stand right behind it by the trunk for 5 seconds and it should open by itself. And right here you got your dashboard. I want to turn it up a little bit. If you just turn up your this is the fan speed, and you got your temperature control right there. That one actually, that is a heated steering wheel. So if you click on that, the steering wheel will start heating up, and you'll feel more comfortable driving in the cold weather as well. And you got your drivers and passenger front heated seats as well, different levels. Yeah, that's a third level, second level, and goes back to first, and you turn it off. Also, you got your 12 volts and your USB for your Android Auto or Apple CarPlay, and you got your fast charge USB right there as well. So you don't need to bring your whole, you just need to bring the cable and you're good to go. And there's your gear. It's a push gear, so you got your driver and like reverse and parking right there. And if I press down reverse, I'm gonna show you how clear the camera is. Look at that. It's nice and clear, so you can see everything that's behind you. You got your drive modes as well for like different conditions. So if you click on this, you got your sport mode, normal mode, your smart mode, and your regular mode, which is custom right there. So right now, after this guys, I want to actually show you how Android Auto works, because since I have Samsung. Stay tuned. When you connect to your Android Auto, this is how the screen will look like. You got your maps, Spotify to listen to music, you got your contacts right there, calendar, and if you scroll down, you got your, because I have Telegram, you got your Telegram. If you have WhatsApp right there as well, so you don't have to keep looking at the phone. And you can customize it like the way you want it to be, how it looks like. And there you go. Thanks for watching again. Again, it's Marwan from Steele Hyundai. If you want to take this baby for a test drive, you can call us at 902-454-1000 and ask for my name, or you can contact me personally on the, I have everything on the description below. And that's it. Have a good day.